JioTV Sahyadri channel for online classes. Government school teachers hold protest in Khanna. Out of work, Delhi government guest teachers selling fruits on cart, repairing bicycles to make ends meet. Online classes to begin in Goa but won't be compulsory, says CM Pramod Sawant. ICSE Board Exams 2020. Bombay High Court asked Centre State if CISE could conduct Class 10-12 exams in July. Find solution for online classes, High Court tells Karnataka government. School principals awares to Class 12 assessment via pre-boards performance. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the state government plans to use JioTV and Sahyadri channel to impact online lectures to students from class 1 to 12 amid the pandemic. The online teaching will begin in all state schools, aided as well as unaided, from the first week of July. Government school teachers of Kana, Samrala and Machivra, under the banner of Democrat Teachers Front, held a protest at the Prem Bandari Park, Kahana, to express the resentment against the State Health Minister Balbir Singh Sidhu and due to lockdown and breakout of COVID-19. The government could not pay teachers without work. An English teacher is forced to sell vegetables on the road, a natural science teacher has set up a bicycle puncture repair shop, and a Sanskrit teacher has returned to his village to work on wheat fields. More than 20 guest teachers are employed in 1,030 government schools across Delhi, paid between Rs 1,040 and Rs 1,400 per day. Their contracts are renewed every year. The Goa government has postponed it until after July 15. A decision on reopening of schools in the state will instead encourage teachers to hold classes online for students in order to keep them engaged, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant announced. ICSE Board Exams 2020, while asking the state to make it absolutely clear whether it would allow the CISE to conduct the rescheduled board exams in July for Class 10 and 12. The Bombay High Court also asked the centre to inform about it. The decision of Ministry of Home, which has directed by the Allahabad High Court to decide on a representation. The Karnataka High Court on Monday asked the state government to find a solution to the situation arising from the ban of online classes in the state. With no clarity on the guidelines for internal assessment, the students and teachers are confused over the ideas of internal assessment in Class 12, amid reports of CBSE and CISE board exams getting cancelled. We shall wrap up for the news today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.thenn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Janvi.